Well, I thought a way to do our Saturday update was to let you say good morning to our little chicks. We do have some babies. They're about 2 months old now, maybe 6-8 weeks. Yeah, so they're getting close to start laying. But welcome back, guys. It's Randy here in Texas City, your Cupcake Farms. I'm so excited because 2 weeks from today, we're officially going to be in our farmers market just up the street behind Beyond Burger, the old mall of the mainland. But as I love to do, and I'm sorry I missed 3 Saturdays, I was ill. I love to show you guys what we're up to. So let's spin it around. The onion's looking great. Look at these head lettuces. Now this is actually for a restaurant. This is not for me. So we did some sporadic one. I got about 40 heads. And if they like it, we're going to keep on popping it for them. Super excited. Boy, these beets are just freaking looking delicious. Unfortunately, I allowed these lettuces to get way out of control. We tried to cut some out last night. We did enjoy a salad, but I can't sell this. This is getting a little too bitter. I waited too long. As you can see, some of it actually went to flour, which I, believe it or not, I read that you can actually eat those flowers. They're edible. I was really surprised by that. We don't think about that much. Peppers are in the ground. Cilantro's looking good. We've made 2 cuts on it. Carrots are looking beautiful. I always forget the name of these purple things. Yeah. Onions looking great, guys. And then, of course, my big row, I just laid my dill in the other day because, you know, dill will grow pretty quick. So I've got about 30 feet of dill ready to come on up. And I'm hoping, like I said, in about 2 weeks, I should have some stuff. I did a succession of radishes on the outside, and I did squash in the middle. I think it's yellow squash. It is yellow squash. I did 30 plants, of course, this is a 30-foot row. And then over here I have just straight up radish, and today I'll plant some more beets to the left of it. 1 more radish, and probably another beet. I don't know. I can get 5 in this one based on the way it's sized. Cucumbers are looking cute. Got my netting up. Of course, you guys have seen that in the past. Oh, I love it. I love it. I'm going to pause this as I head across to the other farm. All right, I took that long half-mile walk. It's not that bad. Of course, you know, last week after church, last Sunday, my wife and I planted 7 rows of corn, looking beautiful. A couple of them have actually already started popping up, which I'm really, actually quite a few of them. Wow. Look, do you see them? Aw, there's my corn. Sweet corn for my sweet family. Oh, I love it. And yesterday I planted 30 early girls. So right now I have about 60 tomato plants in the ground. I do have 40 more up here that are about a week away. You guys have heard me talk about this. There's a restaurant in Kemah, just off the boardwalk there, that has, well, they make their homemade salsa. And they asked me to grow black creme and brandy wine. So we are definitely doing that. I've got 20 of each growing from seed. As you know, I love my seed growing because I do not like genetically modified seed. No. But guys, that's it. I just wanted to update you. It is bright and early on a Saturday morning here in Texas City. I love it. Look at the sun's coming up. I hear the birds singing. If I can convince you to do anything, grow a small garden. Take a little portion of that back flower bed, turn it into a garden. I'm urging you strongly, grow food for you and your family. I don't think we're ever going to find a time that, gosh, I hope I'm saying this right, that the food at the grocery store is forced. It's genetically modified, at least a lot of it is, and the nutrients aren't there. So I'm going to encourage everyone, grow your own little farm. It's so much fun. Get on YouTube. You can learn so much, and I love it because that's where we keep learning. You know, I grew up farming in Detroit, Michigan. Well, a small town outside Detroit, Adrian and Brooklyn. And Onstead. No, not Onstead. We just went to school there. Brooklyn, which is where Grandpa's farm is at, or was. But as an adult, I still love doing what I do. So that's enough of looking at my goofy face. Folks, I look forward to meeting all of you in 2 weeks from today. Actually, in about 20 minutes in 2 weeks, because it'd be 8 a.m. I look forward to meeting all you guys. I hope to have a bounty. If I don't, well, at least I'll be up there to meet you guys and invite you to enjoy a beautiful 2025 right here in Texas City. Folks, thank you so much. You always be blessed, and we'll leave you at that. Thanks about pool time, too.